Kable Pibaro Shagathub Khuborjylla ka Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta ka singi kilong. Rakhi ka Meghalaya ya ka singi bakarpang jong ki baduna bor yosngo. Penkop buram ka Raj Laban Sport Social and Cultural Organization ya South Park Sabu Samut ki Samla balapas bha. Ra nam ladu usuranjit ha ka DBYC Table Tennis Tournament bishisngi. At le buram ke NPP jirang yauba sostenus kung Menteri Sorkar MDA. Bat mentangin pa siya ki Khubor bakam banya. Banwan ra ka jingas ngau tho jing mutlang bat ka jingaday ka bajan bat ki briw ki baduna ha ka bor yos ngau bat ki tu ki babyang ka bor yos ngau. Ka Sorkar Meghalaya lingba ka Office Commissioner for Person with Disabilities ha ka arpunyaw terik Nailur arjar arpusan kalaraki ka International Day for the Deaf ha St. Anthony's College. Kajing tmujung ini ke program kalong benang kentiu ya kajing yadai ke bayajan bah da ke bapenon kam da ke sign language. Ha kajing ya keren bat ke kong Bridget Warshong, Deputy Commissioner for Person with Disabilities kalay thu na kaliang ke department kat bala kalay le ban kentiu ya kajing yadai ke bayajan bat kini ki briw ki bedon kajing duna ke bor yos ngau da ke bapenon kam ya ke wake app ke betip ke Meghalaya sign language bank app bantip bat ngau tho de kitu ki bapenon kam lingba ka sign language. Ha kani ka jingrakhi kani ka sngi bakarpang na kabenta kitu ki baduna ka bor yos ngau uba wailat miki Shillong menteri ka tanat ka kot ka kya ulalong ukong san. Ha ka jingkren ulong kani ka juk start kalawan ra shipun ki jing mentoy bat kala pensuk bhai ki bapang bestam de kilak jing sumar babonjat. Kumju kini ki baduna ka bor yos ngau kila yo kila ki kabu banya kren bat ngau tho ik jing kren jing ki weipat lingba kini kala jing start da ka sign language.
Really congratulate the Office of the Commissioner for Person of Disabilities for the just recently as we have been announced that they have launched the Meghalaya Sign Bank app, which will be a bridge to communicate with the person with disability. But I believe, no doubt we were discussing to have the interpreter. But if we just have them also, if we as the public, as the people of the state, if we are not ready to learn, it will be meaningless. So that's why I would like to request you today at this moment, we should not just standing here celebrating the International Deaf Day. We should show it in action. So first I'll request each and everyone here, please take out your mobile. Please take out your mobile. I'll request each and everyone. And please download this Meghalaya Sign Bank app now. Please. Because I know if we keep it later on, we have many things to do, so we might forget. So I'll request all of you who are having a mobile phone, a smartphone, which I am totally confident that each and every one of you have. Please open the Play Store and type Meghalaya Sign Bank app and please download it. And at the same time, do not just download it. And I will request you, I know it's not possible to learn each and everything, but I will request at the end of this program, I'll request the interpreter to please teach us also few sign language. So we will learn today few sign language. At least we'll be able to greet our deaf people. But at the end of the program. So at the same time, I would like to congratulate the office, the SRCDA, the CRC Shillong for their efforts. But like I said, a lot to be done. And I like to urge the department, what is really important? Because when I check the kind of assistant, the kind of different support which the government give is many. But I'm quite shocked to know that even in the urban areas also they don't know about this support. So that's why
Karat Laban Sport Social and Cultural Organisation RLSSCOO haka arpunyaw trik Nailur kalapan Khuborjylla hadu South Park sabu-sangut ki Samla puli na South Shillong constituency ki balawan syakmat ki eksamen beper. La samru punyaw tali ki laptop ki Samla puli ki balawan syakmat haki arpu pratali ki kerdan puli kentup ki Samla ki bawan ki long yeng beduk barangli. Ladon lang hakani kesngi usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ba Preston Tensong ke principal ki nohikai bagi bahingi sem jeng ki Samla puli. Haba keren hakani kesngi ba Preston ulayaro ya kebenta bekongsan bala shim do ba sanbor sulai ban penkuk buram mi ki Samla puli da ke boong. Kani ke jingle jong ni unong yang lampai pa kanang aimen si mi ki Samla ban nang le bahasa syu hala ki jing puli. Nakaliang ubak sanbor sulai MLA ke South Shillong constituency haka jingkren ula kentui ki Samla puli banang tere shitom kenang bikin yok het yu so ke jingjok haki sengi banwan haka jing jongki.
Which ultimately we said it never happened in Meghalaya. But what happened? At the end of the entire process of the investigation, we found out that it was fake. It's very unfortunate. It was fake. 3-4 cases happened that way. So I would call upon all the parents, you are just like a temple in your own sweet home. Please remember that. Being a father, it is my bounden duty to give the best education to my children. Being a parent, we need to take this responsibility, and we don't have to transfer the responsibility to others. My young children, as rightly mentioned by this quality education, I would also like to add, those toppers, meritorious students, it is the start of your journey. It is just the beginning of your journey. And your career lies on you. One day, one of you will have to take a lead in running the government. Not that Preston Basanbo will continue for 30, 40, 50 years, not at all. But you are the one to take over. You have to take over. And before taking over, you have to be fully equipped yourself. And once that is done, Meghalaya will further shine in the next generation, maybe in the 22nd century. We will see that Meghalaya is one of the best states in the country. And you won't get a local MLA like Bosco who really spent time, who is really dedicated for your journey and your career. God bless my dear students. God bless Shillong, South.
Hakasin Beningkong ke Donbosco Youth Center di BYC kalapelong ya ke table tennis tournament bishisngi haka arpunyaw trik Nailur ha Indo Stadium jongkani ke center halain kra. Hakani ke sngi lawan banshimenta palat arphongut kinangile akai na kaleng ke sor Shillong ki bakenthop ya ki kena red ki Samla bat ki Rangba. Kajing temu juga ni ke tournament kalong ban penchlur ban sei bat kring ye ki Samla ki bedon kasap ye kai table tennis. Reverend Padar Michael Makri, Director ke Donbosco Youth Center, but Reverend Padar Ritonbor Kharkongor, Assistant Director ulai Don Lang hakani kesngi. Reverend Padar Michael Makri ula pinbiang kita yale kai hakani kejaka ban ailat iki Samla bikin pintebet ikini kesap bikin numpile no yela kapor da kabashang makia ni yeng kai harut surok. Kejingi kun hakani kesngi kelasdang da knockout round ban yo ikino kun betebet tam ha ke final. Hakajingi kun final banyakni ikanam ladu hakini ke tournament lay kun hapading uritu raj persya usuranjit. Kajingi pin iyala kabut kasap bat kabor hapading kini arngut kalong shisha kabe ithiang. Kinong pitkai kila anglingo ikajing tebet jung kini arngut kirang ilek kai table tennis hakini kesngi. Kinong kersyan hala kejong kaliang kila nang penpus app ikini arngut kinong ilek kai dikisur perta ban kersyan yala kejong ki kertong. Henry hak bakut kajingile akai usuranjit ula pelim ye urituraj bar ula khuri kanam ladu da ka barong shalayeng ye ka song pisa san hajar tingka ka busket bat ka tropi. Kat ba urituraj wa ban hun ban yo ikanam baar bar ula ra ka song pisa ar hajar tingka ka busket bat ka tropi hakani kesngi. Haga jingkren chuaban penuai gani ke tournament, Reverend Padar Michael Makri ula ong bat pinken mau, bagani ke jingile akai tournament hakani kesngi kaditang ke jing sedang kampat day ke jingkut. Ula ai kublei ikinong penyat ikini ke tournament, bat ikinong yeshimenta ke bala peni perthai lagi sap ki pong ten rai jongki.
Gets only 2,000 rupees this time. Next time we make it 20,000. So to Raj, then we have. Congratulations to you two, and I'm sure next time we will get bigger sponsorship and we will have. So congratulations to Suranjit and to Ritu Raj. Okay, very good. So
Ranjit Day. Currently, I am the men's #1 in Meghalaya in the men category, and I have participated in this tournament in the senior men category, and I have won. I have been the winner, and about this tournament, this is the first edition of the tournament, and I think it's a great initiative for all of us to play in this tournament, as it comes as a motivation and also a very great experience to play with my fellow state players with whom I played the final in Shillong. And I think it's a very good opportunity for the younger players also, for them to participate in this tournament and try to participate in this tournament and try to focus in the future for uplifting the game, and all of us, we can come together and work for the betterment of the game. Thank you.
Ke National People's Party jirang blok mentakas ngi ka apnyo terik Nailur kilale buram yu ba sostenus sotun MLA bat MDC ke jirang. Halor ke jingsha thung dangshen kum umentri ke sorkar Jylla ban pej ke tanat sin adi blok bat General Administration Department. Hakini kesngi lepen Khuboram yo ba sostenus sotun de kinongilam NPP be kinongilam Shillong ki belepen no de kijing ai ngobha rengkat ke jingket bok ket ruang ba unang la ban ai ke jing syakri ki pai pa. Ya kejingelang lepelong haying dorbar New Jirang bala sakhi de kejingdon kinangelam ke NPP Jirang bat na ribhoy ki bakentup yu ba balawan Sim Yong uba Lurshai Karnayor General Secretary ke NPP ribhoy kinokit kam ke NPYF Mahila NPP kinangelam Shnong bat kiriurang ba jongkathan ribhoy sapngi. Hakani kesngi lekerpat yu ba sostenus sotun bok nang teri bah syuk amtang hajirang constituency Henry keribhoy bat ikipat ba ke Jylla berok kawai. Uba sostenus sotun habau kren kini kesngi ulepen pau ke jing sngongo ya ke jing le buram bat ula airu ke jing kular banang teri bah syuk ha ke ban syakri pat ba amtang hajirang constituency Henry ke ribhoy bat ikipat ba ha ke Jylla hi berok kawai.
Konsensi baru ngapong tangki bakersane na banyak tibayu bagi buat kipun ya kublai ya kata kejinglong minister nama hadir buat dari kisah menurut dan arca nyu kelas nanti kebai lead jadi rumbai bangkuai kublai lompung on the chief minister Khubor bahkan mentang nagalan kasoga MDA 2 agak hilang usaha kontrak kisama lailat yo Emily Jobi ban yadon nang agak kabinet kini cukupan bat dengan susarong nagamata kejungi baru iwe bat nakilan cuma ngesu kampat tutan kata ngahap bet badan haban bisyaknya ngahaban pensitom milade banang trestom nang tremila kumno pangama banshim lereman ai kejishakti ko bhatam kum minister nganung klet bagabu akmat di baru iwe hidai kibala penjob yana election agi atli election badai bajumpi ba dari kepurom jom ke konsensi ke jumi ngiyo menta but kum UMLA but kum upriu gano ma angklet nak ketelong kapangangan dan kejingkemen but kejing susarong ya lagi mereka konsensi yang ke district kami kejumi yang ke Jylla kami kejumi ngasopan benpau. I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad Samla for giving me this opportunity to be in the cabinet. And this time again, I would like to request each one of you, and that party power will way, please pray for me.
Lasut lasor ya keseng ki kontraktor bat supplier kathan nongpo belajar kerteng nongpo area contractors and suppliers association NEC and SA haka arpunyo trik Nailur ya kabalai merjing mot bat lasan perkhat naduk kakat nyo trik Nailur arjar akusa Hakani kesengi legit ikinokit kam ki berkentup yu ba penroi lang Shilla President, ba Mensing Makri Vice President, ba P Renghang General Secretary, ba A Kharmujai Assistant Secretary, ba Elphas Shadap Treasurer, ba Lianda Nongshli Advisor, ba Kakong Bindas Aim Auditor, ba Kiwepat kinokit kam. Kajing temu berkongsan jong ke NEC and SA kelong banyadai ki hok jong gidukot jong ka, bat ban wanra kajing itrelang ke bajan bah pedeng gidukot jong gini keseng. Kani keseng ketemu ban kentiu ya kayok kokot kani kethan de jing trei kemana sandur de kita nak trekam ke sorkar Jylla.
Kani kesi nagalang jong aku mu presiden jong ka nongpo area kontraktor and supplier association ai ki jing kublai ko karpang namtai jong kini ki nongkit kam ki bakman ki isi member ki ba senran lang tadu baslang jong ni rekam ki ba ya namta ka jing ki jing kia kasion ai jing play ko kapang hani kesi kajin don lang jupi ke nagulung jing kemen ko kraw nang ta jungi kum unong ilam bakmat bolong presiden jong ka action bat kajin don rekat lang nagalian jupi kum ki para member ke bedon lang hani por kedai senrang ki ba wan senar lang nam ta hani kesi bangi pelai ya kedai media bat kum juru ai kajin kublai ko kapang nam ta jupi ki media ke bedon hani por nam ta ban pensai habide bat upat ba bodon lang hapo jong kono po perokoi kani kalong kapa nagaliang jungi kum ka aston ni kwa pantensai nagaliang jungi ngil seng ya ka nek aston ha ka khaniu tore ubunai bakhandai arpo arpsau kajinyai anti nagaliang jong ka aston sisnem ngil ya anti namta ban hele awan pendep ya ka register ban ngila ro ban register ban pendep ha ka artere mulai benyau arpo arpsan bat registration number bungiyo udah MEG ROS/arpo/arpsau/not kendai ndru iwe bat kaji tumu lane thong kathong nakaliang jong ka aston kabangi kwa ban pensai kapleng jong ki para member bat kumjur ki para kontraktor ki badon hapo jong ka nongpo area ka bankong kadba ni kwa ban pensai kalong ban wanra ya kajinya teli para lokal kontraktor hapo jong kenongpo area kata kadai ba ngikwa ban pensai ni kesi bat kabaar ka ba ngikwa ban pensai ni kesi kalong ban aikam ya ki lokal kontraktor kabalai ka ba ngikwa ban pensai ni kalong ban trelang bat baro ki departemen hapo jong kenongpo area kapasau ka ba ngikwa ban pensai ni kalong ban trelang bat ka sorkar kapasan ban ketiu ya ka yo bakot lane ka kampen roy po jong kanungpo borokaway ka ba nagaliam jong ka aston ngisem bat ngi i ba nginang don sibun ki jinduna habde bat nagaliam jungi ki kontraktor ngisem sibun ki jinduna ki ba ngimla ban ya ngis kemat benyo ki kam kata gede ka ba ikwa bat hakaju porru nagaliam junga kum u presiden jong ka nongpo area ngakot ngwer ya ki pra kontraktor ki badon hapo jong kanongpo area bukin singo ba lada pi kwa banwan lani bat penyaso bat ka son jungi ikot iwari pi bat ipdiang kru musim nanta jungpi ki bompat penyaso panagaliang jungi ipdiang kru musim pi bat kan sodon ru ka jikot lani ka jingwer nagaliang jong ka son jungi ba macam sisi ngin sapulong ya ka general meeting kata gede ka ba nagaliang junga ku presiden kwa ban pensai ni por publish
Bat dakini ki Khubor ngila poi shika bakot tat hadup Indonesia biang kublai shibor.